Welcome to DIY Tech.
Connect garage door opener to Wi-Fi. Before you can connect a Wi-Fi garage door opener to your home network, you will need a smartphone, 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network, a strong Wi-Fi signal in the garage, your Wi-Fi network and the password. Ensure your router meets the recommended router settings for the Wi-Fi products. Connect with Apple iOS mobile device. Create a MyQ account. If you already have one, log into the MyQ app. On the device screen, tap the plus sign in the lower right corner. Tap Garage Door Opener. Tap Ceiling installed or wall installed on the device setup screen. Review information on the What You Need screen and then tap Next. Choose the type of wall control that looks like your product and follow the instructions to activate Wi-Fi Learn mode. Lift the button cover and press and release the Learn button. Press and hold the Learn button side for 6 seconds. The LED under the front button will begin to flash. In the app, tap Next. Tap Yes when you hear a beep. Tap the device that begins with MyQXXX on the discovered screen. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your network password and tap Next. Your garage door opener is now connecting. Name your garage door opener and tap Next. Tap Finish to see your new device listed in the app. Tap the garage door to activate the opener. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the setup.
Thanks for watching.